students, I hope all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, measurement. Okay, here you will have to fill in the blanks with suitable units of measure, like length of board is 1 meter or centimeter. The mass of one bag of rice is 30 kilogram or gram. Raj weight is 70, of course, kilogram. Okay, so you will do this revision by yourself. Okay, we know that the standard units for measuring length, mass and capacity are meters, gram and liter respectively. Okay, however, in daily life we need to measure items which are too large or too small. In this chapter we shall learn about units of length, mass and capacity which are used to measure items that are higher than or lower than the standard units of measurement. Length. The standard unit used to measure a length in almost all the countries is a meter. Its abbreviation is m. Smaller lengths are measured in centimeters, written as cm. Let's observe carefully the relation between centimeters and meters. Look at a meter scale. It has how many divisions? 100 divisions. Okay. Each division is equals to 1 centimeter. Therefore, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Now we take another example. The distance between Delhi and Chandigarh is 250 kilometers. Can you measure the distance between Delhi and Chandigarh easily in meters? Certainly not. To measure greater lengths, we use another unit of length called a kilometer. Its abbreviation is km. Here 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Measurement length. To measure the length of an object in centimeters, we can use a centimeter scale. See, this is the centimeter scale. To measure the length of a piece of a rope, we place a ruler along the piece of a rope such that one end point coincides with the 0 mark of the ruler. The marking on the ruler at the other end shows the length of the piece of a rope. From the above figures, we can see that length of a piece of rope is how much? See, 7 centimeter. Now take another example. In the above figure, we see that for the given piece of rope, one end point is at a mark 0 and the other end point is at the 5th division after the 4 centimeter mark. See carefully. The length of the given rope is therefore 4.5 centimeter. As each centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts, therefore 4 plus 5 by 10 is equals to 4 plus 0.5, that is 4.5 centimeter. We have following table for measures of lengths. 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter, 10 centimeter is equals to 1 decimeter, 10 decimeter is equals to 1 meter, 10 meter is equals to 1 decameter, 10 decameter is equals to 1 hectometer and 10 hectometer is equals to 1 kilometer. Now, conversion of units of length. Let's take some examples. As we know, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Example 1, convert 20 meter and 15 meter into centimeters. Okay, 20 meter you have and you have to convert it into centimeter. You know 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 20 meter is equals to 20 into 100. So 2000 centimeter. Okay. Similarly, 15 meter, 15 into 100 is equals to 1500 centimeter. To convert meters into centimeters, multiply by 100. Example 2, convert 20 meter and 75 centimeter into centimeters. Okay. 75 centimeter, this is already in centimeter, no need to convert it. We'll just convert to 20 meter. Okay. So 20 meter is equals to 2000 centimeter. Okay, and then we'll add 75 centimeter. So the answer is 2075 centimeter. Okay, to convert a meter into centimeters, multiply 100 to meters and add centimeter to it. Example 3, convert 600 centimeters into meters. Now we have to convert centimeters into meters. In this case, we will divide this by 100. Okay, so when we'll divide 600 by 100, we'll get a 6 meter answer, right? Similarly, we will do these examples, right? Let's do exercise at 10.1. Number 1, change 20 meter 60 centimeter into centimeter. Okay, so we will convert only 20 meter, not 60 centimeter because it's already in centimeter. So 1 meter, you know 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 20 meter is equals to 20 into 100 centimeter. So 2000 centimeter. Now add 60 centimeter to it. 2000 centimeter plus 60 centimeter, and the answer is 2060 centimeter. Okay. Next, addition of measures of lengths in kilometer, meters and centimeters. Addition of measures of length, metric unit, is done in the same way as in the case of whole numbers. There are two ways. Number one, convert a given number of larger units into smaller units and then add them. 2. Add the units by writing them in different columns. Example, find the sum of 15 kilometer, 205 meter and 42 kilometer, 409 meter. First, we will arrange them in columns of kilometer and meter. Okay, so we'll make two columns, one for meter, one for kilometer, and then we add the numbers just as we add the ordinary numbers. Okay. Word problems. Example 3. Saurav travels a distance of 4 km 220 meter by bus and another distance of 1 km 179 meter on foot to reach his school. Find the total distance traveled by Saurav to reach his school. So we have to do is we have to add the distance, because we need to find the total distance which Saurav traveled to reach his school. Okay. So distance traveled by Saurav by bus is this, distance traveled on foot is this. Now we'll make two columns, one for meter, one for kilometer, and then we'll add. Okay. Subtraction of measures of lengths. Subtraction of measure of length, that is metric units, is also done in the same way as we do in whole numbers. Example, subtract this number from this number. Similarly, what will you do? You will make two columns, one for meter, one for centimeter, and then we'll subtract as we subtract the ordinary numbers, right? Word problems. Example, from an electric wire of length 45 meter, a piece of length 18 meter, 10 centimeter is cut off. Find the length of the remaining piece of the wire. Suppose this is the length of the wire. Some length has been cut off. Now we have to find the remaining length of wire. So how we'll find this? What will we do? We will subtract this length from the total length. Okay. So the total length is what? 45 meter, and we have to subtract this, right? So first what will we do? We'll make two columns, meter and centimeter. 45 meter, centimeter, there is no centimeter, we'll add two zeros. Then 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Now subtract, 0 minus 0 is 0. You cannot subtract 1 from 0. Borrow from here, 10 minus 1 is 9. This is 4. Again borrow. 14 minus 8 is 6 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So 26 meter and 90 centimeter is the length of remaining piece of wire. Okay. Let's do exercise 10.2. Find the sum of the following. Okay. So you will make two columns, one for meter, one for centimeter. 23 meter, 35 centimeter. 18 meter, 50 centimeter. 29 meter and 75 centimeter. 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry. 4, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4, plus 8, 12, 12 plus 9, 21, 2 carry. 2 plus 2, 4, plus 1, 5, plus 2, 7. So 71 meter, 60 centimeter is the answer. Right? Word problems. The distance travelled by 3 marathon runners are 37 km 450 meter, 33 km 270 meter and 35 km 900 meter respectively. Find the total distance travelled by them. Okay, you have to find the total distance. So we will add these three distances which are given. Okay, so you will write distance travelled by first runner. How much he travelled? 37 km 450 meter. Then distance travelled by second runner, 33 km 270 meter. Distance traveled by third runner, 35 kilometer, 900 meter. Now we'll make two column, one for kilometer, one for meter. 37 kilometer, 450 meter. 33 kilometer, 270 meter. 35 kilometer and 900 meter. Now add them up. 0, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 carry. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 9, 16, 1 carry. 7 plus 3, 10, plus 5, 15, plus 1, 16, 1 carry. 3 plus 3, 6, plus 3, 9, plus 1, 10. So total distance covered is 106 kilometer and 620 meter, right? Measurement of weight mass, kilogram and gram. The standard unit of weight in most of the countries are kilograms, abbreviation kg, and grams, abbreviation G. Kilogram is used to measure the heavy weight such as the weight of a person, weight of your school bag, etc. Whereas gram is used to measure light weight such as the weight of your towel, weight of spoon. Another important unit of weight is quintal. It is used to measure the very heavy weight such as the weight of a tiger, a bear, etc. Given below is a table of units of weight. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram, which you already know. 1 hectogram is equals to 100 gram and 1 decagram is equals to 10 gram. Also we have 1 decigram is equals to 1 by 10 gram. 1 centigram is equals to 1 by 100 gram and 1 milligram is equals to 1 by 1000 gram. Another important unit of weight is quintal. 1 quintal is equals to 100 kg. Thus we have 10 mg is equals to 1 cg. Mg is milligram, c is a centigram. Okay, 10 centigram is equals to 1 decigram. 10 decigram is equals to 1 gram. 10 gram is equals to 1 decagram. 10 decagram is equals to 1 hectogram and 10 hectogram is equals to 1 kilogram. Conversion of measures of weight, kilogram and kilogram. Conversion of kilogram to gram and to kilogram is done in the same way as we did for kilometer and meter. Example, let's see the example. Express in grams, 7 kilogram. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. Then 7 kilogram is equals to 7 into 1000 gram is equals to 7000 gram. Let's take this example, 7 kilogram and 715 gram. We will not convert this. We will just convert 7 kilogram. 7 into 1000 gram. 7000 gram plus 715 gram. So 7715 gram is the answer. Okay. Example 2, express in kilograms and grams. In this case, you will divide, okay, by 1000. So when you divide 5000 by 1000, answer is 5 kilogram. And when you divide 3025 gram by 1000, what will you get? Okay, see, there are 3 zeros. So last 3 digit shows gram, which is 25 gram, and the remaining numeral show the kilogram. Okay. Example 3, convert 6 quintals 30 kilogram in kilograms. 1 quintal is equals to 100 kg. So 6 quintal is equals to 6 into 100, that is 600 kilogram. And 30 kilogram is already there, so we'll add this with this. So 630 kilogram is the answer. Okay. Let's do exercise 10.3. Convert the following kilograms into grams and grams into kilograms. Okay. So 30 kilogram, 750 gram, we have to convert this into gram. It is already in gram, we will just convert a 30 kilogram into gram. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram, you know that very well. So 30 kilogram, 750 gram is equals to 30 into 1000 gram plus 750 gram. So 30,000 gram plus 750 gram. Now let's add 30,750 gram is the answer. Okay. Addition and subtraction of measures of weight. to arrange the weights vertically in two columns and add them separately as we did in case of kilometer and meter. Example 1. Okay, so first we'll make two columns, one for kilogram and one for gram, and then we'll add as we add the ordinary numbers. Okay, similarly we'll subtract, right? Word problems. The stock of wheat in a hostel for a month is 2 quintals 45 kilogram. If 1 quintal 79 kilogram of wheat was used in a month, find the amount of wheat left. Okay, so in this case what will we do? We will subtract. Okay, so stock of wheat is 2 quintal 45 kilogram and some wheat has been used, which is 1 quintal. Okay, here I am writing in short form 1 quintal and 79 kilogram. So how much wheat is left? What will you do? You will make two columns, one for quintals. Do not write Q, you will have to write this. Okay, then we'll subtract, and after subtracting we will get the answer that how much wheat is left, and 66 kilogram wheat is left. Okay, let's do exercise 10.4. Add 8 quintals and 70 kilogram. How will you add? Make two columns, quintals, kilogram. Okay, 8 quintals, no kilogram, 0. Then you have 70 kilogram, here 0. Then add them up, 8 70. So 8 quintal, 70 gram. Okay. Measures of capacity, liters and milliliters. Capacity is the amount of water, milk, oil or any other liquid that a container or bottle can hold. The standard units for measuring capacity are liters. Abbreviation of liter is L and milliliter ml. We can see the capacity written on the container and a bottle of cold drink. Have you ever seen? You must have seen. Here are some standard containers marked with standard units to measure the capacity of liquid shown. Containers are generally used for measuring milk, and these containers are generally used for measuring kerosene and petrol. Units of capacity lesser than liter are deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. Okay, abbreviations are also given. So we have 1 deciliter is equals to 1 by 10 liter, 1 centiliter is equals to 1 by 100 liter, and 1 milliliter is equals to 1 by 1000 liter. Combining the above conversation, we have 10 milliliter is equals to 1 centiliter, 10 centiliter is equals to 1 deciliter, 10 deciliter is equals to 1 liter, 10 liters is equals to 1 decaliter, 1 decaliter is equals to 1 hectoliter, and 10 hectoliter is equals to 1 kiloliter. Conversion of measures of capacity, liters and milliliters. Conversion of liters to milliliter and milliliter to liter is done on the similar way as we did in case of kilogram and gram. Okay. Example, convert a 29 liter to 45 milliliter into milliliter. Okay, so you have 29 liter to 45 milliliter, you have to convert it into milliliter. So we'll not convert this, we'll just convert this. So we'll multiply this by 1000. So 29,000 milliliter, and then we'll add 245 milliliter. Okay, so the answer is 29,245 milliliter. Okay. Example to express in liters and milliliters. In this case, you will divide by 1000. Okay. Let's do exercise 10.5. You have to convert 9 liter to 45 milliliter into milliliter. Okay. So we'll not convert this. We'll convert this only. 9 into 1000 milliliter. Why 1000? Because 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. 9,000 milliliter, and then you will add 245 milliliter. So this is the answer, 9,245 milliliter. Okay. Addition and subtraction of measures of capacity. Here also the procedure is same. We will arrange vertically in two columns. One column is for liter, one column is for milliliter, and then we'll add, we add the ordinary numbers. Okay. Alternative, to convert milliliter to liter, divide by 1000. Quotient is liter and remainder is in milliliter. Okay. Similarly, we will subtract. We will make 2 columns again and then we'll subtract, right? Word problems. Example 1. A can contains 27 liter 750 milliliter of milk. Another can contains 8 liter 250 milliliter milk. How much total milk is there in the 2 cans? Of course, we have asked total milk. So what will we do? We will add. Okay, we will add the quantity of milk which is in one container and which is in another container. Okay, so we'll arrange in columns, then we'll add. So total milk is 36 liters in 2 cans. Okay. Example 2, a tin of refined oil contains 9 liters 790 ml of oil. If 7 liters 950 ml of oil was used in a month, how much oil is left in the tin? So in this case, we will subtract. Okay. Let's make 2 columns, one for liter, one for milliliter. Total oil is a 9 liter 790 milliliter, out of which 7 liter 950 milliliter has been used. Now the oil left, let's subtract. 9 minus 4, 5 is 4. You cannot subtract here, so borrow from here. 17 minus 9 is 8. And 8 minus 7 is 1. So 1 liter 840 milliliter oil is left. Okay. Let's do exercise 10.6. Express in milliliters. 9 liters. You know 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So 9 liter is equals to 9 into 1000 milliliter. So 9000 milliliter. Right, students? Okay, students, now you will do practice of the remaining questions.